The layouts that are included by default in any of the iBooks author templates can be accessed from the Add Pages menu. You can choose to add a chapter, and here are the layouts that you have to choose from, section, and all of their layouts, and then pages, and the layouts there. However, you can completely customize those layouts. In fact, you could throw them away and start completely from scratch. To access the layout list, click on this menu here and choose Show Layouts. This is going to show the layouts list, which, as you can see, contains quite a few different layouts that you can choose from. Let's take a look at modifying an existing layout. I have here a chapter layout, which has been applied down here on Chapter 1. If I want to modify the layout, I simply select whatever it is I want to change and start making changes. So for example, maybe I want to make this text a little bit bigger, and maybe I want to take this picture and crop it a little bit differently. Great. Now that I'm done, you'll notice that there is an Apply Changes button that has come up. If I click Apply Changes, it's going to take all the changes that I've made to this template and apply them wherever that template has been used throughout the document. This basic chapter template was used here on Chapter 1. When I click the Apply Changes button, watch the thumbnail down here change to match the change that I've made up top. So as you can see, by applying a change to the layout template, I've applied that change throughout the entire document. If you don't want to make a change to the existing layout, you can duplicate the page before you change it and then have multiple versions of it. Let's go ahead and undo a couple of times here and get back to our basic default template. I'll right-click on the chapter menu and choose to duplicate it. Now I have a copy. For this copy, let's make some changes to the image that's here. I'm going to edit the mask and make this a little bit smaller. In fact, what I really want to do is have two photos in this chapter opening. I'll hold down the Option key and drag this photo so that I've just made a copy of it. Let's put it all the way up at the top there like so. And I'll go ahead and leave a blank space in the middle. I can rename this whatever I like. Let's call it Chapter 2 Photos. And now I have a new template that I can use. Notice that we did not get the Apply Changes button here because this template has not yet been used anywhere in the document. Now, when I go down to an existing chapter page, I can click on the triangle next to it and choose from any of the layouts, including the new one that I've just created. This makes it incredibly easy to create completely customized layouts within iBooks Author and apply the changes throughout multiple pages throughout the document at once.